Hi everyone, I'm Charlene from BBC Learning English. Today is day 7 of the Winter Olympics in South Korea, and we've already seen some spectacular performances in snowboarding, ice skating and lots of other fantastic winter sports. With lots more sporting action to come, everybody's talking about it. And I'm asking 3 questions to find out the actual words people are saying. Question 1. How are you enjoying the Winter Olympics?
I'm enjoying them very much indeed. They're very interesting and I really am enjoying it.
Yes, I've not seen too much of it, but what I have seen has been pretty spectacular.
I mean, I haven't really been keeping up with the Winter Olympics this year, but I do think it's good in terms of sportsmanship and political impacts this year especially.
What's been the most standout moment for you so far?
I would have to say it was the opening ceremony. You know, when you kind of see all the countries kind of like marching together, there's no conflict, it's like everyone's just trying to get along together.
Oh, it's the amazing jumps that the skiers make when they've skied very fast up or down one of their slopes. Then they jump off the top and you think they're going up to heaven actually.
Do you think the Winter Olympics has an impact beyond sport?
I don't know, maybe it's becoming kind of, it's weakening as an interest, and the media should push more and more to awake the interest in the broader audience. That's what I think.
With what they've done to the Russian athletes as well, I think they've made it a bit too political and have taken the sport out of it, in my opinion.
That's a difficult one, I really don't know. I just want Britain to win always.
So, there you go. Everybody's talking about Winter Olympics, and now you can too. There's a recap coming up in just a second. Before I go, don't forget you can find out lots more about this topic at bbclearningenglish.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube and get talking. See you next time.